Introduce highlight features or overview summary of HAUXIY wireless CarPlay car stereo, 9-inch HD touchscreen Android Auto, portable CarPlay screen for car with voice control, 2.5K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, mirror link, SPK, AUX, Bluetooth, and FM. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include CarPlay and Android Auto with voice control. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. This plug-and-play dual-DIN car stereo features the latest voice control technology that allows you to access map navigation, phone contacts, email, notifications, music, and more with the help of Siri/Google Assistant by simply connecting to your smartphone. This improves driving safety and comfort, making your drive more convenient and enjoyable. HD night vision backup camera. The car screen equipped with front 2.5K front camera and 1080p waterproof backup camera. When backing up, the rear camera input will automatically display the image on the car screen. Easy to operate, help driving safety, parking more easily. The camera wire is connected to the reverse lights, very easy to install. Phone mirror link and 4 audio output. The 9-inch 2-DIN car stereo CarPlay screen for cars support iOS and Android phones for mirror link function. Our car stereo with CarPlay system also supports other features including FM radio, local speakers, Bluetooth audio and AUX. You can enjoy clear and stable music in a noisy environment. CarPlay audio will bring you a wonderful experience. Collision sensor function. HAUXIY car stereo with CarPlay has a built-in collision sensor, G-sensor, if a serious vehicle collision occurs. The recorder will lock the video of the accident when it occurs to save it as a special image, and at the same time the lock icon is shown at the top of the display. The locked image will not be overwritten by the loop. Parking monitor function. When the parking monitor function is turned on, in the off state, if the car has a slight vibration, then the recorder will automatically turn on the video and lock, at this time. If it is in the engine off state, this portable CarPlay will be recorded for 15 seconds and then shut down. If the engine is not off, then lock the video for 15 seconds and then automatically enter the normal cycle of video. Note, this function requires hardware support. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is easy installation and fit all different car, plug and play directly with dashboard via Connect cigarette lighter. You don't need to disassemble your car's console, keep your car original radio, perfect coexistence. The CarPlay radio with screen is suitable for most motor vehicles, such as cars, trucks, vans, buses, pickups, and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.